You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 1,307,674,368,000. Let's solve it step by step. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 15 times 14 equals 210. 210 times 13 equals 2730. 2,730 times 12 equals 32760. 32,760 times 11 equals 360,360. 360,360 times 10 equals 360,3600. 3,603,600 times 9 equals 324,324,00. 32,432,400 times 8 equals 259,459,200. 259,459,200 times 7 equals 1,816,214,400. 1,816,214,400 times 6 equals 1,089,728,640. 10,897,286,400 times 5 equals 544,864,320. 54,486,432,000 times 4 equals 217,945,728. 217,945,728,000 times 3 equals 653,837,184. 653,837,184,000 times 2 equals 1,3076,743,688. 1,307,674,368,000 times 1 equals 1,3076,743,688. And so the final result is 1,307,674,368,000.